Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of birds, focusing on the most incredible species capable of mimicking human speech. These feathered friends are more than just beautiful. They're intelligent. Let's take a look at the top 10 most amazing talking birds in the world. Be sure to stick around until the end to see the number 1 bird that might just blow your mind. At number 10, we have the African Grey Parrot, known as the Einstein of birds. This species is famous for its extraordinary ability to mimic human speech, often picking up hundreds of words and phrases. Their intelligence and conversational skills are unmatched, making them popular pets for bird enthusiasts. Next, the Amazon parrot takes the 9th spot. These birds are lively, with strong vocal skills and vibrant personalities. They're not just great mimics, but also love to sing, making them the life of any party. Number 8 is the stunning Indian ringneck parakeet. These parrots are well known for their ability to learn multiple words and even short sentences. Their soft, melodic voices and bright colors make them both beautiful and entertaining. Coming in at number 7 is the budgerigar, or simply budgie. Don't let their small size fool you. Budgies are capable of learning up to 1,700 words, making them one of the most talkative species on the planet. The Quaker parrot, also known as the monk parakeet, lands at number 6. These birds are not just chatty, but also incredibly social and interactive, making them great companions. At number 5, we have the cockatoo. Known for their playful nature, cockatoos are also excellent at mimicking human speech. They often combine their vocal talents with dancing, creating adorable performances. The eclectus parrot takes the 4th spot. These colorful birds have an impressive ability to pick up and use human words in context, making them fascinating conversationalists. At number 3, we have the hill myna, known for having one of the clearest, most human-like voices in the bird kingdom. These birds can mimic not just speech, but even the tone and inflection of a human voice. Number 2 is the yellow-naped Amazon parrot. These birds are renowned for their clarity of speech, as well as their capacity for learning and repeating entire phrases or even songs. And at number 1, it's no surprise that we have Einstein. The famous African Grey Parrot Einstein has captivated audiences around the world with its vast vocabulary, even imitating voices and sounds perfectly. This bird is the true star of the talking bird world. So, there you have it, our top 10 most amazing talking birds in the world. These incredible creatures not only mimic our words, but often become lifelong companions. Which bird amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating videos.